Morning from Tokyo. I am currently recording on my new handy cam that I bought yesterday. We're going to Mount Fuji. It's my first time seeing the fall leaves and बहुत ही average है भाई. हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं. ये भी प्री बुक करना पड़ता है, सब कुछ प्री बुक ही करना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. This looks so beautiful.
कोई रैंडम स्ट्रीट
तेरे को क्या
अरे भाई
पता एक सेकंड. Morning from Tokyo. I am currently recording on my new handy cam that I bought yesterday, and I've decided to make this particular vlog entirely on this handy cam for the vibes. It is our day 3 in Tokyo, and today we're going to Mount Fuji, and right now we're going and grabbing breakfast really quick. I'm so excited to be vlogging on this. It makes me so happy. I think it's really cool. My fit is currently inside. It's like around 13 degrees Celsius. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna go grab breakfast quickly, and yeah, let's go. And we're here. This is currently the parking, but this is my first time seeing the fall leaves, and I don't know what to say. Also, I added my little cute bow that I bought here, which is the cutest thing on planet Earth. But it's so pretty. There's like so much fog there. I think I'm gonna in between insert some footages from my iPhone because I like love this camcorder look, but I really want y'all to see the beauty of the place, because you see the fog. We are here at Mount Fuji, and of course we took a Mount Fuji cake, and I can't eat it because it has egg, like the 90% of the things that I'm not eating here. But Tanish just had it, and what do you think it is?
Bro, too good. It's like bubble gum.
Bubble gum बुला दी. Mount Fuji पे आके, but it has what bubble gum taste? Melon. Oh, it's a melon bread. It's really cold. We all underestimated how cold it would be, and अब सबको बहुत ठंड लग रही है. I'm Neil and I are twinning, even though I have another outfit on the inside. Got some hot chocolate to have. We've got some hot coffee. We're gonna taste the hot chocolate. मुझे वो दे. दो ले ले भाई. Hot chocolate बहुत ही average है भाई. It's so cold here. I'm literally walking through these autumn leaves. I've never in my life experienced autumn, and like I've always seen it in videos and photos, and I never in my life did I think I would be able to experience something like this on my own with my friends and enjoy every bit of it. This looks so beautiful. It's so cold that my hands are freezing and they're red. But everything about this place, like the calm of it, the vibes, they're so okay, right? Like everyone feels so at peace here, and you can feel that in the energy. I know I sound really spiritual, but you kind of can feel that in the energy, and it's making me so happy. You have no idea. I'm so happy right now. That's it for here. We mainly came up here to see the peak, and most of the people actually they go up and hike, but we could not find a way to do that, so we were not able to. But now we are gonna go to a lake where the view is just 10x greater, and I actually can't wait to see that. But it's freezing cold, but it's beautiful, and we're literally walking through fog. I'm walking through fog, and it's the craziest feeling ever. हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता. We are here at this beautiful lake, and it's so pretty, and we're gonna go boating in those ducks, which I've seen like 1,000 times in 1,000 movies, but I think he's saying we can't boat. Oh shit. ये भी pre-book करना पड़ता है, सब कुछ pre-book ही करना पड़ता है यहाँ पे. Basically, you have to pre-book a lot of stuff here. You have to be very planned and organized, which is the exact opposite. But oh my god, this is so pretty. This is beautiful. There's nothing like this view.
देखो red paid. Yes. Beautiful. Batak. Look at the batak. अबे तो हमारे रोहतक की लेक्स में भी होती है भाई.
Dude, big cruise. Can you take videos I can use? I don't think I can use that.
टैक्सी एकदम क्रेजी वीडियो आ रहा है प्रो.
I don't trust you at all.
यस एपेक्स कर दम प्रॉमिस मिलेनियम.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to.
Come to probably one of the most beautiful sceneries I have seen in my life. I know I'm not speaking much in this vlog. It's really because I'm trying to absorb this entire trip. I'm just trying to absorb. I'm trying to shoot content to show you guys all of this, but I'm just trying to absorb everything that I'm seeing because it's so beautiful. We might just get to see Mt.Fuji. We haven't been able to see it properly because of course the clouds and the fog, but we've come to this beautiful place which is going to show us probably the best sunset I've seen in my life. Okay, very random thought I've had, like recently I've been seeing a lot of proposal videos because it's like proposal season again. I think Japan is a beautiful place to be proposed, especially when I show you this place. This is a great place to propose somebody. Like I know Italy, Paris, but Japan is peace. It's calm. It has this energy that just, and everyone here is so, warm. I think Japan is a great place to be proposed at. But okay, on the other end, the clouds on the Mt.Fuji are moving. That's the tip right there. गिरे तो इस तरफ गिरे.
कैसे मैथ है ये ब्रो? पर फूजी तो नहीं आ रहा है ना. तो हम तीन तो कहीं से भी आ जाएंगे ना. वहाँ से ले जा फूजी आए. क्या बोल रहा है? कोई रैंडम स्ट्रीट.
तेरे को क्या?
अरे भाई it's very risky to keep it that way. For
पानी को पकड़ा दे.
Get her.
Oh damn, Anna. Fuck. Dead.
क्या पहली बार कैमरा देख रही है? लोगों को कोई कॉल क्यों नहीं करता है?
Tanishq has been trying. एक सेकंड में हम लोग हैं. Tanish
हेलो
यार, why you shouting,
दिखा,
Tarini?
फूजी दिखा भाई, मुझे
We're a
मत
little
दिखा,
fragile, Tarini.
फूजी दिखा।
अरे रुक एक सेकंड, मेरा ब्लॉग है। Tanish has been trying to record a time lapse
अरे बालों को पहले
for the
हटा आपने।
past
टाइम लैप्स फूजी ब्रो,
one time lapse for the past 10 minutes अब तक,
इट्स गोना बी एपिक।
और फूजी हट ही नहीं रहा है।
अरे फूजी नहीं हटेगा,
फूजी वहीं रहेगा, फूजी वहीं है।
वो क्लाउड्स को रिकॉर्ड करने की ट्राई कर रहा है कि
नहीं,
हटे और
clouds
फिर
will-
फूजी रिवील हो। मुझे फीलिंग आ रही है कि शायद उसके पीछे और फॉग होगी और फूजी नहीं दिखाई देगी।
फॉग नहीं बोलते बेबी, उसको क्लाउड्स
बोलते
बोलते हैं।
फॉग क्या होता है? फिर एक सेकंड, फॉग और क्लाउड में डिफरेंस क्या है?
फॉग और क्लाउड में डिफरेंस क्या है, बता मुझे तू।
The clouds are finally moving. Tanish's time lapse is gonna come to life.
राइट, हु इज राइट?
But Mount Fuji
I
is
am
looking
at
so
the right.
small on this.
तू जूम करना।
I don't know if that's gonna zoom कर। मैं तो zoom करूँगी। Underwhelming हो गया। थोड़ा सा underwhelming हो गया।
भाई
बतख! एक सेकंड। बतख! Guys, बतख! भाई ये कितनी फटफट मुड़ रही है, इसको देखो तो जरा।
If you want to work, I can work.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch. Guess I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stay.